Are you struggling to lose weight? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will share the ultimate guide to successful weight loss, with tips and tricks revealed. First, it's important to set realistic goals. Don't aim for a quick fix, but rather focus on long-term, sustainable results. Next, let's talk about what you eat. A balanced diet is key to shedding those pounds. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your meals. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. Exercise is an essential part of any weight loss journey. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's jogging, swimming, or dancing, and make it a regular part of your routine. Remember, consistency is key. In addition to eating right and exercising, consider making some lifestyle changes. Get enough sleep, manage your stress levels, and avoid excessive alcohol consumption. These factors can all impact your weight loss efforts. Tracking your progress is crucial for staying motivated. Keep a journal, take measurements, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Small victories lead to big changes. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and don't get discouraged if you hit a plateau. Stay committed and keep pushing forward. You've got this. Thank you for watching this ultimate guide to successful weight loss. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you next time.